In every practical sense, the first help level for Bittorrent is at $0.002, which is essentially massive. Bittorrent BTT records rises today, displaying Hubby Bittorrent BTT records rises today, or so they think. In every practical sense, BTT's next opponent will be at 0.0 on July 19, 2023. In this video, we will walk you through Bittorrent cost examination for now, or for in every practical sense 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these frequently clarified some facts. What is fundamentally momentary cost expectation for Bittorrent truly is BTT, and essentially why speculation lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bittorrent support and opposition levels, and so on truly show how the first help level for Bittorrent early is at 0.002, or so they basically thought. However, prior to jumping profound into the BTT specialized investigation in a genuine sense, let us certainly discuss the sort of current economic situations, which for the most part is genuinely critical market examination. Over the fundamentally last 24 hours there was particularly a loss of 1.84%, bringing the kin to 0.002, or so they basically thought. Bitcoin accounts for 48.37% of the entry market, while Ethereum most certainly has a strength of 16.33, which shows that BTT truly has its especially next opposition at $0.002, in spite of mainstream thinking, which in every way that really matters caused Bitcoin's cost to drop down to 29,837.66 level after a decay of 0.14 or so. They basically thought various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.15 coming to 1899.9 cents amid the previous 2 years. Furthermore, Coco's BCX reached 60 cents after a 0.77 decrease in value, demonstrating how many selective digital currencies, for example, Ethereum, have seen a 0.15 cost rise since 1899.9 cents in the previous 24 hours. Thus BTT type of has its next obstruction at 0.002 in an unobtrusive manner. These events suggest that the market in general is moving in and in every way that truly matters sinking course for practically the present moment, considering that Ethereum fundamentally has had a cost increment of 0.15 coming to 1899.99 in the previous 24 hours, BTT essentially has its particularly next obstruction at 0.002, incredibly right now. A generally broad, actually awful drop can be witnessed all through the crypto market. Sort of extra appearance, how these events sort of suggest that the market sort of is moving in a truly declining bearing for substantially the present moment. Essentially further appearance, how various selective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly has seen a cost increment of 0.15 coming to $1,899.09 during the past 24 hours. So BTT really has its really next obstruction at $0.002 in and in every practical sense significant way. Bittorrent backing and opposition backing and obstruction by and large are significant specialized markers used to basically distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. So various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a cost increment of 0.15 coming to $1,899.09 during the past 24 hours. So BTT generally has its especially next obstruction at 0.002, or so they explicitly thought. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers generally become essentially more by and large dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any fundamentally further in an essentially huge manner. Similarly, obstruction most certainly is a level at which dealers fundamentally become move in every practical sense. The help and obstruction levels of Bittorrent BTT are dynamic and specifically prevent the currency's cost from growing higher, which is extremely important. Bittorrent execution. The day-to-day outline of Bittorrent basically shows that the BTT Cosby and large has frequently flooded up with a 1.07 expansion and essentially beyond 24 hours, showing how similarly opposition especially is a level at which vendors in a genuine sense become move sort of dynamic and particularly prevent the coin as costs from moving higher, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The cost worth of the Bittorrent BTT coin truly is remaining at 0.0000185, with the cost worth of The Bittorrent BTT coin truly is remaining at BTT price changes 3.81 over the course of the week, while the trading volume sort of is hovering around $74,045,513 United States dollars, demonstrating how BTT price changes 3.81 over the course of the week, while the trading volume truly is drifting around $74,045,513 United States dollars, which is genuinely huge. Bittorrent Value Research BTT cost examination for July 19, 2023 inside a day-to-day time span basically made sense beneath, which explicitly shows that first help level for Bittorrent sort of is at 0.002 or so they essentially thought we utilized definitely relative strength INDEX RSI moving in every practical sense normal. Union and disparity mapped backing levels, blockage levels, various timespan moving midpoints comprising genuinely simple moving, genuinely normal, tiny, and remarkable moving to a fully normal EMA to assess the future evolution of the Bittorrent, which indicates that July 19, 2023. In this video, we will walk you through Bittorrent cost examination for now or the following week, and we will basically aim Bitcoin price prediction as the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision gets closer. Has Bitcoin already hit bottom? The next meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, is planned for Wednesday. And market participants are eagerly waiting to see what happens and how it might affect Bitcoin and other financial assets. As the FOMC meets to decide on the federal interest rate, the cryptocurrency market is tense. Investors are asking if Bitcoin has already hit its bottom or if there will be more volatility in the future. At the time this was written, one Bitcoin was worth $29,260, and its 24-hour trade volume was a whopping $11.8 billion. The choices made by the FOMC could have a big effect on where Bitcoin's price goes and how people feel about the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Let's take a look at the technical side of the market and see what we can figure out about the Bitcoin price. How much will Bitcoin cost? Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency, had a big drop in value and was getting close to $28,850. But a recent doji candle that closed just above this key level shows that bearish sentiment may be weakening. Also, the presence of a doji candle and a spinning top candle near the $28,800 mark makes a bullish trend or decline more likely. Also, both the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, are in the oversold zone, which makes it more likely that the price will turn up. It is important to keep a close eye on the $28,850 level, because a break above it could cause Bitcoin to aim for $29,000.